Make a waffle, but I'm gonna teach you how to make pancakes and waffles. So today, I'm just gonna use an Eggo because I don't have pancakes. Okay, you need a waffle or a pancake, obviously. Okay, second, you need to turn this thing on to all the way heatness. Also, I'm going to teach you with this, okay? So, yeah. Anyways, slap that pancake or waffle on it, and yeah, just wait a few minutes. You could eat in and out, or just look at your senpai. Yeah, but anyways, yeah. Once it's hot enough, no, this still needs more heatness. We'll be right back. Anyways, admire senpai. Okay, now let's see. Okay, it's warm enough. Once it's warm enough, just flip it, and yeah, I don't know. No eggs. No eggs. Raichu, do you have any eggs? No. French fries, do you have any eggs? No. Alex, do you have any eggs? No. Fridge, do you have any eggs? Oh, you do. Okay. Okay then. Anyways, just don't make sure to not burn yourself. Okay. Okay, if the other side needs more heatness, then just flip it again. And yeah, that's how you make your waffles or pancakes. Yeah, well, that's not all the steps, but that's how to cook it. Is it ready yet? Okay, yeah, it's ready. Okay, well, once it's ready, just turn the thing off, and then oh yeah, get a plate. Okay, then just place it on there, and if you want syrup, get your syrup. Yeah, I got them original syrup. Yeah. Now let's just open this. Okay, got it. Now just wait, this is an uncomfortable position right now. Just pour it, stuff. Two hours later. Okay, then get your fork and whatever you want. Just stab it, and then yeah, there is your waffle. Okay. Well, hope you enjoyed today. Anyways, I'm gonna eat my waffle. Yeah. Bye.